In today's video, I'll teach you how to update DramaBox app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. You'll be able to find various options at bottom. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for DramaBox. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for DramaBox and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If you see the option for update over here, what you have to do is tap on it. If you see the option for open, that means your application is already updated. You do not have to do anything. But in case if you see the update option, simply tap on it and wait for a while. After that, your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, all the bugs will be fixed. Also, you'll be able to get the access to smoother performance and better features. So like this, you'll be able to update it. So that is how you update DramaBox app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.